traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, tomorrow on the 31st, we have interest rate for the US dollar, FOMC interest rate, one of the biggest news events there is for sure. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event, so definitely make sure you stop back in for that tomorrow at 7 p.m. UK time. So, anyways, I'm definitely still looking at this as an uptrend. I still think this is very, very likely to go up and make a wave C of a wave A, of an A, three waves down for a wave B, and five waves up for a wave C, which I think will be an expanding flat. Most likely, it will take out these previous highs and look something like this. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at these five waves up right here as a one. I still think this is a WXY wave 2. I still think we're in a wave 3, and this is all subdivisions of the wave 3. And on these higher time frames, it should continue to make higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to the daily time frame, we definitely do have a break of structure to the downside on the daily. So I'm definitely looking for sorts as of right now. I think this move down is likely just a crutch into this move up right here. I'm watching these Fibonacci levels very, very closely for a break of structure, like a double bottom break of structure for evidence that this correction is over and that we are back into the uptrend, which hopefully will happen at tomorrow's interest rate news. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce as you can see, but unless it breaks this structure right here, I'm definitely looking at this move up as possibly being a crutch into this move down. I'm still looking for sorting opportunities. I think it may actually, by the looks of it, make its way down to the 61.8 before it makes its double bottom break of structure, proving that this move down is complete. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we do have interest rate news coming out tomorrow, which I will be live streaming on YouTube for. But until it actually breaks this structure right here, I'm definitely still primarily on the short side. If it does pop up one more time, I still think it's going to be a crutch into this move down unless it breaks structure to the upside. So if it does go up one more time, that's actually great news for me because that should leave for a very, very clear three-way pattern, which will give us a great opportunity to go short again if it breaks structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level and continues the downtrend. So I'm definitely still primarily looking for shorts. Kind of looks like it may end up trying to pop up one more time, or maybe it's just going to do a little push up and go down like that. Either way, I'm still looking for shorts in a downtrend, at least until we get a break of structure to the upside, or we get a double bottom at a Fibonacci level and a break of structure, which neither of those we have yet on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.